Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a very nice little extension in VS Code. It's used to draw diagrams or charts directly inside VS Code. So if you go to the extensions tab, just write here figure, and the very first extension which comes, this is the extension. It's got almost 2000 installs. So it allows you to directly draw diagrams and sketches directly in VS Code without leaving the VS Code editor. Simply install this extension, or then after that need to go to the command palette and simply search for create diagram right here, sorry, new figure sketch. Just search here, new figure sketch. So once you select this option, this window will appear right here and you will be able to draw diagrams. Simply select from a series of shapes right here. You can see that, and you can basically change the background, the text color, everything. So here you can even change the background as well. So you can easily see, just select, and we have also the ability to draw something. You can see that. So you can change the color of the text as well. And then we also have the ability to actually, after that, we have this option to insert image as well. So if you have a image that you want to, you can even insert image as well like this. And then we also have the ability to export this to an image. So we or just have this, you can resize it and then simply click export image. You can individually click the canvas and then click export image. So everything here will be exported. You have the option to scale, export this to a PNG, SVG. You simply click PNG and all your work will be exported. So it's a very useful VS Code extension, guys, where you can actually make use of what sort of diagram sketches you want to draw, and after that you can actually export your work to a successful PNG file or SVG file. So you can even scale this as well. So you can just see. So it also have this eraser, which you can also click individually. So here you can drag and drop everything. All these shapes are there. It's a fully fledged editor. So this is the extension figure. Simply type and simply activate this extension and simply go to command palette and simply search here new figure sketch, and this window will appear. So here you will be able to draw sketches, diagrams, anything related to your application directly in VS Code. So this is a very useful extension. We also have shapes as well, and here you can control the color as well. So definitely check out this extension, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.